Okay, that's pretty ridiculous. It's safe to say that despite its price, the iPhone XS Max is one of the best premium smartphones released in 2018. With a screen that's larger, at 6.5 inches, and a gorgeous OLED panel, this device is really something. But despite its speed and appearance, I found a couple of issues that had me bring it back to the Apple Store. The first thing I noticed after owning the iPhone XS Max for a few days was that while peak network speeds were definitely faster on the XS, network consistency speeds were across the board versus the Qualcomm iPhone X. When using the iPhone XS Max on a daily basis, I noticed something odd. When I would touch the edges of the screen, I noticed a very sharp texture. So I did what any other tech-savvy person would do. I went straight to Google and noticed that other people were experiencing this issue as well. What you can see me doing here is putting in a piece of paper between the glass and the front display assembly, which is indicative of either a poor adhesive or an imperfect mount. And here's another shot between the front display assembly and the steel housing. This is bad because it might lead to poor water resistance and to debris accumulating inside of the phone. Here we have the tried and true iPhone X. Let's see if we can recreate the issue.